Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error for Marvel Rivals on Windows 11. It's very easy to fix, so try not to skip any steps. The first step is to open up Steam. If you do not have it installed via Steam, you can add it on Steam even if it's not in your Steam library. How to do that? Go to library, bottom left you're going to see add a game. You can click on add a non-Steam game and find Steam from this list to add it. Once it is added, you want to right click on it, hit properties, and by the way, you want to enable Steam overlay while in game. You want to turn this off. You want to make sure the overlay is off. And from here, if you want to force it to go to DirectX 11, you type in -DX11 to force it. However, if you want to use DirectX 12, which I recommend, on the search bar, bottom left, you type in run, hit enter. From here, type in DXDIAG, press enter. This will bring up your system settings. On the very bottom here, you can see DirectX version. I have DirectX 12. If you do not, you need to download it. Even if you do and it's not working, I recommend you download the newest version. How do you do that? I'm going to put a URL in the video description below, but it will bring you to this Microsoft page. From here, you're going to see a download thing right here. Select your language, click download and install it. Restart your computer and this should fix the issue. If it did, leave that video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.